Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many of you might find essential for your office, classroom, or even home organization, the EXPO Dry Erase Markers in assorted colors. We found this product online and included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are the EXPO Dry Erase Markers? These markers are designed specifically for use on whiteboards and other non-porous surfaces, offering a smooth writing experience that's perfect for a variety of settings. Each pack contains 4 markers in vibrant colors, ensuring that you have the essentials for whatever task you're tackling. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of these markers. First and foremost, the vibrant ink used in these EXPO markers really sets them apart. The colors are bold and bright, making your writing pop and easily readable even from a distance. This is especially useful in larger classrooms or meeting rooms where visibility is key. The design of these markers includes a versatile chisel tip, which allows you to create varying line widths with ease. Whether you need a fine point for detailed writing or a broader stroke for headings and emphasis, these markers have you covered. The low odor ink is another significant benefit, making them a great choice for enclosed spaces. You can write and brainstorm without worrying about overwhelming scents disrupting your focus. One of the most convenient aspects of the EXPO Dry Erase Markers is how easily they erase. Whether you're using an EXPO eraser or a simple dry cloth, the ink wipes away cleanly without leaving any residue behind. This means you can quickly make changes or updates to your notes or presentations without any hassle, maintaining a clear and tidy workspace. So, who are these markers suitable for? They are perfect for teachers looking to engage their students during lessons, office workers brainstorming in meetings, or even home organizers mapping out plans on a family calendar. If you're in a classroom, these markers can be excellent tools for interactive learning and presentations. For office use, they can help in creating effective visual aids or organizing ideas during collaborative projects. Practical use cases for the EXPO Dry Erase Markers are endless. You can use them to jot down reminders on a whiteboard, create visual presentations, or even plan your week on a calendar. They are also fantastic for brainstorming sessions, where quick changes and updates are part of the process. The assorted colors allow you to color code your notes, making it easier to categorize information at a glance. In conclusion, the EXPO Dry Erase Markers are a reliable choice for anyone needing versatile writing tools that deliver on performance and quality. With their vibrant ink, easy erase feature, and adaptable chisel tip, they cater to students, teachers, professionals, and anyone who values clarity and organization in their communication. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.